Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to download the Google Meet app. Open the App Store in your iOS device or Google Play Store on Android. Click on the search icon and write Google Meet in the search icon. Now, once you have searched the app, click on the Install option.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Join a meeting using a phone number. Enter the phone number that's in the Google Calendar event or meeting invitation. Then, enter the PIN and hash. From the Meet or Calendar app, tap the phone number. The PIN is automatically entered.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Going forward, Meet will be available to anyone for free on the web at meet.google.com and via mobile apps for iOS or Android. And if you use Gmail or Google Calendar, you'll be able to easily start or join from there, too.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Older versions of Google Meet. If you need a rollback of Google Meet, check out the app's version history on Up to Down. It includes all the file versions available to download off Up to Down for that app. Download rollbacks of Google Meet for Android.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Step 1. Open Chrome or any other browser from your laptop or PC. Open Gmail and log in with your Google account. Step 2. Next, you can open Google Meet on the bottom left corner. You can start a meeting here and invite your friends and colleagues to join.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
For the free version of Google Meet, all participants will need to be signed into a Google account to join. You can create a Google account with a work or personal email address. For Google Workspace customers, once you've created a meeting, you can invite anyone to join even if they don't have a Google account.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How to use Google Meet, free. Go to meet.google.com, or open the app on iOS or Android, or start a meeting from Google Calendar. Click Start New Meeting, or enter your meeting code. Choose the Google account you want to use. Click Join Meeting. You'll have the ability to add others to your meeting, too.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.